Hello again, it's Noob, and look at this Titan padlock, a very classic shape. Lots of lock manufacturers have done this in the past. I think Abloy have as well, and all sorts of things, but this is a really lovely lock and not a massively easy pick, and that's because of the bitting of this one. It doesn't look anything too special, but this pin here, pin 3, is set extremely low, so low that if you get, I know, let's just find a pick. If you put a pick here, even a thin shanked one, and imagine that I'm sliding down the warding, you can see on the key that if I'm going to try to pick pin 5 at the back, I'm going to overset pin 3, maybe even possibly pin 4 as well. So it's a tricky one to navigate, this one. It works really nicely, and it's got an unshimmable turning sort of lock here on the shackle, which is really nice to see, and yeah, a really great little lock. So let's throw this in a vise and have a pick. Oh, this is lent to me by Gravity Karma from both the LPU Discord and UK Locksport forum, so thank you to him for lending me this lock. So we're in the vise and going to do a bit top of the keyway tension. Just go through the lock very lightly with a short hook and just try to feel for anything that might need pushing up. Pin 4 there, pin 2 now, there we go, little click, anything on 1, little click on 1, little click on 4, nothing on 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so oh, that was nice. That was pin 5, I think. I'm just going back through. I have a feeling that these pins are now set, so I'm just going to go in with the this medium hook, I think, and just try and get in under pin 6. I think I dropped some pins, so let's go back through. 2 there. Little click on 1. Little click on 4 and 3, and oh, now we're open. Look at that. So by setting pin 5, we definitely overset something, probably pin well, let's say 3, I think, and then we just picked back through these. Obviously pin 5 remains set, and now we've got the open. So that's, oh, turn it a bit more, I think. There we go. Haha, got it. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that picking. Really lovely lock, the Titan K. Just a very nice pick and easy to overset. Really like this one. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment below. I read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.